Oof, sweating. Can't remember what the new API is. Red Lab Gaming, hey! There it is. Fetch API, that's what it is. Today we are working on a dashboard. So right now I have no way of knowing what's going on in the game, and so I want to make a dashboard that I can pull up in my web browser and see what's going on, get live statistics and whatnot. Fetch API, that's what it's called. Alright, let's see how. I really need to stop trying to make fetch happen. So everything except IE, which means I'm gonna probably go ahead and do it. String form data. Man, it's hot in here. It's just all this JavaScript I'm writing. It's just really gets you hot and bothered. Okay, how do I get... Oh, sweet. Ooh, what? Oh, that's cool. See if that works. Alright, so then... I'm doing vanilla JavaScript here. No jQuery, no React, no craziness. Hold on a second, I am gonna try. This is bugging me. Alright, how do I get screen to reload? See if that's any better. Oh yes, I also wanted to not do this stuff. Let's see here, there's an example somewhere. There it is. Oh, that one, yeah, we don't do chunk, we just... Hello, welcome everyone. How you guys doing? Are you working professionally or is this just a hobby of yours? Yes, this is my full-time job. At least at the moment it is. So today what we're doing is I have a master server that kind of coordinates between all the servers. I can pull that up. So yesterday I deployed a bunch of servers in different regions. So I've got one server in Amsterdam, one on the west coast, one on the east coast, and then I've got a master server that will coordinate between all of them. And so today what we're doing is we are making a dashboard that I can pull up in my web browser, and it will tell me the current status of the game, who's connected, what servers are running, all that kind of stuff. So that's what we're doing. Is it a multiplayer game? Yes! Yes, we have different servers, and, well, here, I'll pull it up really fast so you guys can see what we're talking about. Whoops. Have it connecting to my local. Still not good. Is my master server running? Yes. Huh. Strange. I'm not sure what's going on, but okay, here we'll play the trailer really fast. No one's ever seen this actually. It's This is a sneak preview. Pause this really fast. So you'll get a chance to see what the game is about, even if I can't play it right now. Yay! Now you know what the game is. Sorry for the crappy frame rate. It is a 60 frame per second trailer, but Linux is struggling right now. Okay, so we're working on the master server for that right now. And I want to have a nice, pretty dashboard that I can look at and see what's going on with the game, how many people are playing, how many servers are up, all that kind of stuff. So that's what we want to do. Is it all written in C++? Yes! It is all C++. What did you use for the GUI? It is a custom GUI, and it is all it's all geometry. So, like even the text is actually geometry. So like that was geometry. So like this connecting screen here, it says connecting there. Those letters are actually all they're 3D mesh. So instead of like a bitmap font, it's actually just rendering shapes to create the text. So yeah, all the UI is all custom, which I think is really cool. I like it a lot because it's nice because then I can scale my UI. So like if you're playing split screen and there's 4 players on the same screen, then the UI gets smaller, takes up less of the screen, and I don't have to worry about like aliasing or anything because everything just scales perfectly. Which, like, one of my pet peeves is when, like in Unity games, a lot of times you'll see bitmap fonts that are scaled up larger than they need to be and the text is kind of blurry. It drives me nuts. I hate it. So yes, it's OpenGL. Making sure that I'm doing all my responses correct here. I need this transfer encoding on all of them. Thanks guys, glad you like it. So the alpha is going to be out. I mean, it's ready to be out right now. I'm waiting on one feature from itch to implement, and then the alpha will be out for everyone to play for free. So keep an eye out for that. If you go to the website, you can see like all the places. There's a Discord and all kinds of stuff to keep track of that stuff. Just hope this works. Will it be a free game? No. But the alpha will be free. So that'll be free. It'll be up on itch.io and GameJolt. And then when the full game comes out, right now I'm targeting the $20 price point because it's going to have single player, multiplayer. It'll have a whole campaign. So I think it's going to be worth it. The other cool thing is you'll be able to, with the single player or the multiplayer, you'll be able to launch your own servers for free. So I'm going to be hosting the servers, like I showed you guys earlier. There was the servers up, and each of those servers actually hosts 8 games simultaneously. So I am so sorry, I don't know how to say your name. Slim Shady 420. Welcome, thank you for that follow. Appreciate that. How do you counter spawning very much minions? The big one is the grenade. So you can chuck one grenade into a big crowd of minions and they will all just die like instantly. So grenade is really good. That's really the main one. Shotgun is also pretty good. You can mow down maybe like 5 minions at a time with a shotgun. But yeah, that's a good question. I love making the minion armies. You had a problem managing it? So you think the minions are OP, or? Let's see. Okay. Yeah, you do. Okay. Due to having 3 batteries and spawning minions. Interesting. Well, I've never had a problem with the minions being OP. But yeah, maybe they are. I'll have to think about that. Oh, you never tried grenades. Okay, yeah. The grenades are amazing. You just chuck one grenade in there and all of them just boom, just all die. It's great. You can take out a whole army like instantly. Because a lot of times the minions do kind of congregate in a single area. Alright, Alright, let's try that. So this is what I have so far, is this dashboard. Here's our dashboard. This is amazing. Look at this. Did you develop it all by yourself? Yes, I did. Cannot property of null. Okay. We already got JavaScript errors. Form 1. Yeah, what the heck? Document.query selector. Form 1. Oh. What? What? What is going on here? Is my HTML malformed or something? There's no form in here. Is it because I need to submit? Or maybe I need a name? I don't think so. There it is. Well, what? Oh, this is a different frame. Okay, how do I... That sucks. Okay, so I don't need this thing. So annoying. So document.query selector. Form 1. There it is. Okay, so now all I need to do... How do I do... Yeah, script below the form. Don't really understand the stealth mechanic because I wasn't really stealthy. It felt like I'm visible. Yes. Okay, so anytime you're in the blue area, like when you have a battery, it turns the whole area blue. Anytime you're in that blue area, you're invisible. And then when they capture it, it'll turn red, and you're not stealthed anymore. That's how it works. Anytime you're in your blue zone, it's kind of like a friendly zone. You're invisible. Okay. Whoops. There we go. I need to put this away. There we go. Much better. Alright. JSON is not a function. Back to the topic of minions playing, I think it would be very OP if there are more than 2 players doing it, because then they can sit on their own batteries and perma-spawn them. But yeah, we never tried nades, and if their cooldown is small enough. Yeah, the cooldown on grenades is the same as like movement, so you can throw a bunch of them. The limit with grenades is that they cost energy, but it's a small amount. It's like 25 energy per grenade. So yeah. Yeah, I think they're okay. But I don't know. I could be wrong. Maybe I'll have to nerf them. I could just, make it so that they don't spawn as often. Or yeah, there's a bunch of different things I could do. Not what I wanted. How do I get JSON? Okay. Then function response. I hate promises. Okay. Submit. What are you doing? It's got multipart form data garbage. Alright, let's debug this. GDB. And 63. Oh, slash API. That's dumb. Dot slash API. Just gonna do that. Still nothing. What the heck? Alright, oh, it can do this. Okay, I wondered about that. Alright. Alright. We had fun playing it, even if you can't lose well. Oh, that's good, I'm glad. Yeah, I'm hoping once we get more players in here, when the alpha comes out, should be pretty fun, I think. I'm sure there will be things that I'll have to nerf and things I'll have to buff, but yeah. Okay, so let's do 168. That's what I don't understand. You know what? That's because it's a multi-part piece of garbage. So the last time hundreds of other request fields are accessible. Alright, so HTTP multipart request. So what I want to do is this first part here, when we get this multi-part request, I want to stop processing it instantly. Mongoose, how do I get it to stop? Stop processing a multi-part request. I just want to stop. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, there should be an example somewhere here. Ha! There it is. Look at that. Haha! Sweet! Alright. How do I...
In 1931, August Picard became the first man to reach the stratosphere.
Problem is it's not null terminated anymore.
His son Jacques became the first
That sucks.
never stop, never settle.
Everything else in my stuff is null terminated. Alright, that's fine. Let's do this. So yeah, I also want, in addition to providing the status of everything in the game and all the servers and clients, I also want to be able to execute SQL commands. So that's what I'm doing here. Oh, wonderful. Okay, so part data we're just going to return it to plain text. What was this? Okay, and then we got a oh shoot. This is gonna be interesting. I don't know what the types of anything are. Oh boy. SQLite. Get. Boy, what do I even search for here? SQLite console. Oh, hold on a second. I think there's a way to query. Yeah, there's a way to query what the schema of the result is somehow. Oh, aha. Yes. What does this thing return? No, I don't like do while loops. Alright, that's good. And then Rocky6446, hey, how's it going? Okay. Now we gotta actually get the data out of this thing.
Doesn't mean you can't try.
Yeah, why isn't this a link? I want to find out what that is. Okay, that's good. Hold on a second, what was that value? All values that can be stored use dynamic typing. Wow. Is there a way to convert this into a string? Unprotected may only be used. That's the result of the applicator to be a copy. Blah 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 blah. To be a text string. The return value to be a text string and encoding, which must be done. Takes the text result from the application. Not initially, an automatic type conversion is performed. Oh, perfect! Wonderful! So all I gotta do back to coding, yep. I don't know how long this is going to be, though. It could be forever. Alright, here's what we're going to do. We'll calculate it first. And then what we'll do is and then we will no, let's not resize, let's reserve. Line store copy line at can never remember which goes which.
24/7 support from a real person right here in the States.
Okay.
And our members get free.
Sorry about the ads. Do you mind telling us a little about your current operating system? This is just Ubuntu Linux 17.04, but I am using a window manager called i3, which is my favorite. It's really great. So it's got the thing about i3. The main thing is that it's focused on keyboard, so it's great for laptops, because I hate using the trackpad on laptops. So i3 is wonderful for that. So it's all keyboard based, so basically everything in i3 is on the Alt key. So if you're holding down Alt, then you're probably doing an I3 command. And then once you're holding down Alt, you can switch between windows, like I'm switching between these two windows right here. And then you can move windows around, so I can switch them like this. I can create a new window, close it. I can launch stuff. So there's a menu on the top bar. It's hard to see, but on the very top of the screen, if I hit spacebar, Alt spacebar, then I get a launcher and I can start typing whatever I want and launch it. And then you can do full screen, close it, move stuff around. You can make stuff tile vertically. Yeah, right now we have Terminal and Chrome open. And then inside my terminal I'm actually running screen, so I have multiple terminals running in there too. So here's where I'm actually running the thing that I'm executing, and then here is where I'm writing code. I can switch back and forth. This is the text editor I'm using is NeoVim, which I just recently switched to from Vanilla Vim. So yeah, and then in Chrome I use this extension called Vimium, which lets me navigate also without keyboard. So most of the time I don't use the mouse at all. Most of the time I can get away with using keyboard for everything. So like, you know, there's obviously keyboard commands for scrolling like this and navigating forward and backward. But the really cool thing that I like about Vimium is, so I press F and it highlights all of the links on the page, and then it will let me click on any of these links by typing the letters. So if I want to click on this link right here, instead of having to reach over to my mouse and go over here and click it, I can just press F, and then I can see, oh, it has the letter W highlighted on it. So to click this, I just press W, and it goes to that link. And then I can go back. If I want to follow a different link, I press F. Right here, say I want to click this one. It's 2 letters, so I press S, and that narrows it down to all the S links. And then I press L, and it specifies that specific link. So I love Vimium. I don't always use it. Sometimes I end up clicking, you know, if you're just browsing, sometimes it's easier to just click with the mouse. But if you're working and you're on your keyboard the whole time, it's super handy to be able to stay on the keyboard. So you can switch between tabs as well, except sometimes Chrome messes things up. But most of the time, Vimium works really well. I like it. Okay. Let's do sprintf actually. Put a tab in there. Okay. Then what we're going to do is print out our line. All right. Super basic, but should work. It's an interesting setup. I don't know if it would be more efficient with it, but it seems like a good idea for fast typers. Yeah, not for everyone, but I like it. Like I said, I especially like it on laptops because you don't have to use the stupid trackpad. So, oh yeah, also i3 has virtual desktops, so you can switch to as many desktops as you want. And it's also really great for multiple monitors, so I have a second monitor over here and I can easily switch stuff on that one too. What are you using for code completion in NVim? You Complete Me. It's called You Complete Me. It's not that good, but it works. Let's build this and see what happens. What the heck? Hard var name. You Complete Me is slow as hell. Yeah, like I said, it's not great, but seems like it's the best thing out there. Oh shoot. Oh, this is annoying. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Whoa. Oh. Oh, hold on a second. That's fine. Alright. Just want to get it working, that's all. Doesn't have to be pretty. Near test, syntax error. Whoa! Whoa, cool! Oh, cool! Look at that! Oh, we need a new line at the end of this crap. You know what? Actually, let's... build. Hey! Gun Viking, how's it going? We're making a dashboard. And check it out. D. Zuvan, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the stream. Great to have you. Look at this, we're accessing our database. That's exciting. Double V Sky, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome. Sweet. I guess it's time to write JavaScript again. I don't want to. But kind of have to, I guess. Because this part is done.
Moms have a superpower we like to call Mom Magic.
Mom magic.
And now,
skip
Navy
it.
Federal Credit Union has a way to help moms get even more with the More Rewards American Express card.
Works like magic.
With triple points on groceries, moms can turn a year's worth of trips to the supermarket into a trip to Hawaii.
Super-powered rewards.
Visit NavyFederal.org to sign up now. Open to everyone in the armed forces, the DoD, veterans, and their families. Federally insured by NCUA. American Express is a registered service mark of American Express used by Navy Federal under license.
Okay, it's not going to be Jason. Jason. Instead, we're going to... Let's see, what can we... Completion. Alright. Text. Alright, Superpower rewards. What's the web app for? It is a dashboard. So this is going to be my dashboard for seeing who's connected to the servers. How, are the servers up and running? How many people are playing? What, you know, any kind of statistics that I want to know about how the game is doing right now. So I'm thinking about, depending on how much I can get done today, I would like to do, you know, like, what frame rate are the servers running at? What's their load? That kind of stuff. But we'll see if I get that far. Probably won't. But yeah, just like a status dashboard, so I can see what's going on. And also, the thing is that the master server, when it is running, the SQLite database here is in read-only mode. So here I can read from the SQLite database, but as soon as I try to oh snap. Did that just work? What? Are you kidding me? This whole time, SQLite has kept a lock on the SQLite database so that if the master server is running, I'm not able to do anything on it. So the whole point of this, half of the point of this dashboard was to allow me to execute these SQL commands. Are you kidding me? What? I do not understand. Well, what the heck? I am very, very, very confused. It used to keep a lock. I wonder if it's just because I don't have any servers running right now. And so it's just not writing a lot to the database. Huh. Well, at any rate, it would be nice to be able to execute SQL from a web browser instead of having to SSH in and all that stuff. So, I guess I'll continue. That's really strange though. I don't know why that happened. How do I can't remember my i3 binding for that. Oh well. Okay, so that is working. Let's put in a how do I I think that's what I want. Text element. Create text node. There we go. Console.append child. Or rather, CSS pre-formatted text. Alright, and then I don't want this thing to Sweet. Actually, what I should do then we'll make the console scroll. I don't remember how to do any of this stuff. This is I just constantly Google. There we go. Height. We'll say how many rows? 30 rows. And then put value contents JavaScript scroll div to bottom. Aha! save some of these query selectors so we're not doing this all the time. Selectors. Gotta do this in our init function. Or actually, it really shouldn't be a part of this date. Scroll top equals okay. Guess I don't need this. I'm never gonna need it except for right there. Okay, let's try this. Haha! Scroll to the bottom. Beautiful. So good. Alright, let's do SQL. Stefanos GR007, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the stream. I run into this problem so often. Oh, you know what? I think box sizing fixes it. I'm pretty sure. Yes! Cool. It's good. It's very good. Let's do this. Let's There we go. That's nice. Why is it got a tab to begin with? I hate this. That's super weird. Oh well. Look at this though, we got a console. So cool. You guys don't care, nobody cares. Let's make this stylish a little bit. Let's do... First, this needs to be a black screen for sure. Already, we're doing better. I don't remember what any of my favorite colors are. That's better. Let's go to the website. No. That would be kind of cool to use these colors. Ooh. I said 0 picks. Oh well. Still got the chrome highlight on it. I know there's a way to turn that off, but whatever, don't care. Formatting the output as well. It's okay. Boy, that's kind of eye-searing. Let's do like... Very strange. Why has it got a tab there to begin with? Oh, I know why. Derp. There we go. Outline none? Okay. Also, yeah, hey, how's it going? 12, 12, 12 is usually a little bit better to use, a little bit softer. Yeah, we could try that. I like it. I like it. Now I feel like I kind of maybe do need an outline. It's a little too minimal. Yeah. Oh, also I want to autofocus. Oops, not this one. This one. Cool, it autofocuses. Can I change the outline color? Aha! Thank you, CSS. Why am I don't need that anymore. Ah, cool. Why does it look different? Is it because it's... Because it's a different thickness, probably? Or maybe it's... style? Whoa. Dotted? What? Dashed? That's pretty cool. This is so metal. Bridge looks better. Solid, that looks better. We'll say outline style solid. Whoa, jeez. Okay. Except that... Oh, I see. Uh-huh. Show all. Huh. Oh, that's weird. Oh, is it because I have this stupid run thing selected? No? Weird. This is gonna drive me nuts. I'm getting lost in the weeds here. Let's do... There we go. All right. Cool. That's pretty neat. So now, 30 rows is maybe a bit much. Let's do 24. There we go. And the rest of this is going to be a status area for the current status of the servers and everyone connected. So trying to remember how you create a JSON string. Oh, print. That's it. I know I have this somewhere in my code. Let's see. Here it is. Wait, JSON save? So you do have to free it. Okay. Couldn't remember how to use my stupid JSON library. Right here. Okay, now we just have to fill out this JSON data structure. What kind of stuff do we want to know? Well, I think we're gonna want to know. Let's first get a list of all our servers. So CJSON servers. JSON servers. Shoot. Yeah, we're gonna have to refactor this a little bit. 'Cause here's this whole stuff. What we're gonna do is put this all in a struct. No. Okay. And basically I'm gonna have to go through this whole thing, but it's gonna be more worth it. Do I want to call it state? That's kind of a bad name. Let's call it global. I think that's probably going to be the last of it. be a lot of find replace here, I think. DB ended up being not a very good searchable name. Fiery Drake, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the stream. Aha!
Alright.
Crap. How's the alpha going? It is close. It's very well. It's pretty much ready. I'm waiting on a feature from itch.io. They're working on OAuth, so that people can log into the game without having to install the itch app. That's what you have to do. You have to install the itch app and then launch the game through that. And what I want is for there to be an OAuth workflow so that you can open up the game and then it opens up a browser and you can log into your itch account and then it kicks you back in and you're set. So that way you don't have to install the itch app. Although it's going to be better with the itch app no matter what. But yeah. We're doing refactoring. This is not going to be great. You know, I feel like I should just get rid. Everybody should have the itch app regardless. That team is full of miracle workers. I know, right? It's freaking great. But like just the other day, I had some people download the alpha and play it, and the first thing they do is just download the zip file and start running it. They don't install the itch app, and so I'm definitely going to put a big message there that says, "Hey, install the itch app. It's wonderful." But I'm still expecting people to not do that. So alright, we're just gonna hack it. Don't care. I don't like this. Can you make custom for Twitch? What does that mean? You're talking about emojis? I do have plans for doing emojis. I just have not gotten around to it. I'm very, very sorry about that. Oh man. Okay, never mind. More about custom alert with CSS and that. Oh, I've never tried it. I don't even know if Streamlabs lets you. I mean, I'm using Streamlabs, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it even lets you customize that stuff, or to what extent. Platform timestamp. Okay, so that's all there. So let's just replace. That way. Okay. That was actually not that bad. Alright. Socket messenger. See, everything will be under global now. So it'll be a little bit more clear. The scope of things. This one I might have been able to find replace automatically. Servers. What? Huh. Cool. Alright. This is not going to compile. There's no possible way. This is not good. You know what? Here's what we're gonna do. This whole nonsense is going back.
Navy Federal
Here.
members enjoy 24/7 support from a real person right here in the States. And our members get free everyday checking, great interest rates.
Caravetta, welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for that follow.
So no matter if you say,
Sorry about the ads.
or
They're really
your family
bad.
can enjoy belonging to a credit union with over 8
We're gonna
years of
take
history.
this
Navy Federal
and
Credit
move
Union,
this
open to
whole
everyone in the armed
namespace
forces, the
down
DoD, veterans,
to
and
the
their
bottom.
families. Visit NavyFederal.org for more information.
Right? Okay,
Federally
that's
insured by
VI.
NCUA.
This is
Equal housing.
master. Yeah, we're gonna put it inside the master namespace. That way we don't have to. Awesome. Alright, now two things we gotta do. We just have to pre-declare some of this stuff. Gotta get more subs than use that Twitch money to buy a SoundCloud subscription. That would be great. That would be awesome. Alright. And, you know, actually... Panda's Life, hi, how's it going? What's up? Hey, it built! Holy crap! Alright, yeah. It works. Okay, so, let's write some JavaScript. Back to JavaScript land. Oh dang, look at that! Let's log it. Not JavaScript land. No, yeah, JavaScript is bad, it's not good. Look, 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 it's working! There's no servers connected. Sweet! New to C#, cool. Learning Unity, I'm guessing? Or maybe Godot. That's the new hotness these days. Okay. Yeah, let's get some more data in here. I can't believe that worked that easily, that quickly. Let's get... Actually, real quick, let's get this in a feedback loop here. I never remember the order on set timeout. Godot, oh no, I haven't heard of that one. Probably means I'll fall in love with some feature it has, then scrap my current project to work in Godot instead. Yeah, it's real nice. I mean, they're doing some good stuff in it. Now, I would, if I were you, I would wait a little bit, because right now they're still using their own custom little scripting language called GD script, but they are currently, like, right this second, integrating Mono, so they're adding C# to their engine. But it is a really cool looking engine. It started out 2D only, and then they've been working on 3D, and the 3D is really solid. It's kind of state-of-the-art stuff, so it looks cool. Okay, so we'll refresh every 5 seconds. Yes, you got a deadline now. Yeah, that's awesome. Uh-oh. Cancel timeout is not defined. Clear timeout. Sweet. So it's going to refresh every 5 seconds. Pull in new data. Now back to C++ land and start. Yeah. Oh. Alright, what do we need to know about the servers? There's state. Active loading or idle. Yeah, that's good. That would be a good start. So, switch node state. You know what? Actually, let's just add it. We'll do it on the front end. Yeah. CJSON add number to object. Server node state. State. And then what else do we need to know? Their IP address. Yep, that's good to know. Char address. Next address. Node address. Server okay, let's make sure we didn't kill anything. Matching function call node state. Oh shoot, I don't have a server running. Look at that! Pretty cool. Now what happens when I kill the master server? Let's see if it continues to refresh. Nope. Interesting. Not good. Because I should still be setting this timeout. Alright, let's look at this fetch thing. I'm just really trying to make fetch happen, guys. Reject this usually means permissions issue, blah blah blah, inaccurate check for successful fetch. So like this. Yeah, I wanna. So it throws a type error? Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my gosh, I freaking hate exceptions. Type error. Oh, catch. Are you kidding me? This is so stupid. Freaking JavaScript. I hate it. It's the worst. Am I even allowed to do this? Is this even... I don't even know. Probably have to like compile it or something. Oops. Okay. Ah, good. Still refreshing. Fantastic. Alright, next step. What else? What other useful information can we deduce? Yes, this is what we need. How do I get the config? Max players minus okay. Oh, whoops. All right. Region. Connection refused. Oh, seg fault. Okay, great. Great. Create string. No pointer. JSON add. Oh, what the heck? Can I add null? Add item to object. There we go. Okay. And now let's see what happens when we connect to this. I actually have to do this. Hold on a second. Let me get my stupid game jolt thingy. Alright.
Seems like a long time since I've looked into your eyes and they're looking back. Am I really the enemy if I'm getting defensive when you want to attack?
I think the region, yep. Why does nothing seem to work right now? Have a server. Boy. Okay, fine, we will... 2151. Why doesn't this show up in the main? Huh. Pretty weird. Alright, yep, we have an idle. We have one idle server. Next. Next. Server. State equals server idle. What? And the region. Oh. US East, US West, what? I said it to not that. It's US East. The heck? US East. So weird. I am absolutely baffled. Let's see, we can skip right to that part. 2164. US West. How is that possible? There is no freaking way. Client request server. Ah, crap. Whoops. I'm getting all messed up here. Okay. It doesn't appear to be changing the region. Save changes. Back to US West. Okay. That's not good. Not good at all. Let's try our new little thing here. It's called test. Program in C++ lately for some classes. Turns out not using the standard libraries is hard. Yes. Well, you just have to write your own STD vector is basically what it boils down to. Oh, segfault. Awesome. Sweet. $23.65. Sterling. Oh. All right. What is this anyway? Oh, this is where I was running. Okay. There we go. Alright, so select from... Oh, I need a up arrow. Alright, let's turn on SQL debugging. And let's launch this. Edit, change this, save. And what happened? Look at all this SQL. Set name, config where ID equals. Oh, it doesn't change. Wow. Okay, well, that's a glitch. Right here. Wow. That's crazy. See, this is great. I'm glad I caught that before the launch. No matching. Oh. Now let's try this. Change to US East. Stays US East. Alright, good. Now we try to connect. We're playing a game, finally. And now, let's look at what we got here. Config test, max players 2, players 1. Got the right region, it's active, has the level it's on. Sweet! All working. Now we just have to display that stuff. Not bad, not bad. Whoa. Jerk. You jerk. Come on. Gotcha. Alright. Version mismatch. Expected 1. Got 1. Wow. That's something. Alright, is there anything else we need to know from servers? Not really. Yeah, that's not too bad. Let's I don't think I don't have a list of clients actually. Well, for now we can just is there a way to... Oh, here it is.
It's easy to get lost in yesterday, to bring back all these things. I know you loved them, I know you love them, but I know that I can try again to warm your heart. Please understand, things don't stay forever. We say we want to make a change. I must admit it feels a little strange to see it in a different way. And even if it passes by, this isn't how we say goodbye. Just until next time. There's nothing wrong with shedding tears to make sure that your side is clear and bring to light all our silly fears.
Okay, that'll be their username. What else do we need to know about clients? Anything?
Just when you forgot, maybe take the time to stop and cherish what we have.
I think that's it.
See what we had. You only notice when it's gone because to satisfy what you long for.
Oops. User key.
You'll still be through the falling tears, and now you know your side is clear. Bring to light all your silly fears.
Member named client messages. What? Oh. Okay, no clients connected. And still no clients connected. Clients. Huh. That's real strange. So we want to see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 are the states that we want to see here. Three means server. Whoops. My alert box is all messed up. Okay. Alright. Zero is invalid. Wow, okay. You know what? Got a better idea. Check user key. You work quite a few hours since your full-time job, or do you make something to make sure you don't get burnt out? Yeah, I work at least 40 hours a week. I've been actually recently working a lot more than 40 hours, and now I've had to cut down so that I don't go nuts. Right now it's not so much a matter of burning out, it's more of a I've been having anxiety and stuff, so I had to tone it down a little bit. State client idle. Okay. Oh, you know what? Aha! We have a client! State 6. What does that mean? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He's idle. Okay! Yes! It is working. Alright, let's see, what else could we get done here? We could do, I think I'll do a really fast, and then I have to take off. just a status, like taking this data and turning it into HTML basically. And then I'll have to take off here. So my limit, my thing is that I have to, I made a rule like no work after a certain hour of the day, and that's helped me cope a little bit. So I have to take off here. But let's just really fast go back into JavaScript land and status servers. Nice. Let's do it the other way around. Server dot I don't remember anything about the stuff we included. Address. How's that? Whatever. We'll see if that works. Hey, look. Cool. Let's.
Breathing in again, my peace out.
No.
My pupil sense the dawn, its gentle bond. I hold a coin in my free hand and fill my pulse with the other.
Let's see.
Heads or tails, telling stories, wishing like I'm setting God's on fire. But it's hard to mark my restless dreams. Wandering around, I can finally hear the ocean sound. No more rocks to help my heart to heal. All I want is there.
Cool.
Take of me to share. Let me place a secret in me. Or is it love only my soul can sense and see? Who are you?
Cool.
Showing me what to do. Who are you shining through?
Not cool. I hate it when this happens. It's fine. Whatever. It really should be tables, what it should be. Yeah, that's what it should be. Alright, okay, trying to remember the other information we got. Got the state, config, max players and players, level ID, region. Alright, state. Hey, need to train my dog to bark angrily anytime she sees raw HTML or CSS. I never seem to get here in time. Hey, no, you're fine. We haven't been doing too much. We've been working on this sweet dashboard. state. UI, yay, it's cool. I like it too. I really love writing UI code. No one else does. I don't know why. Let's see. Okay, let's go pull this. The most important thing in your game. I know, right? One thing about JavaScript, always use 3 equal signs. Because JavaScript is freaking nuts. Okay. And a config max players, yeah. Nemezco1, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, equals, not equal, 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 equal. Oh, I think you missed an equal sign in there. I think you need one more equal sign. In JavaScript, no one can hear you scream. So true. JavaScript is so bad. All right.
Moms have a superpower.
Level ID and region.
And now, Navy Federal Credit
hate
Union
this
has a way
commercial.
to help moms get even more with the More Rewards American Express card.
Works like magic.
With triple points on groceries, moms can turn a year's worth of trips to the supermarket into a trip to Hawaii.
Superpower rewards.
Visit NavyFederal.org to sign up now. Open to everyone in the armed forces, the DoD, veterans, and their families. Federally insured by NCUA. American Express is a registered service mark of American Express used by Navy Federal under license.
Okay, and what was the other one? That was it. That's it. Undefined, -1 out of 1. This is great. armies.players. Let's see. Oh wow, is it returning 2 player slots? One funny thing in JavaScript is that var declares things in function scope. I hate that. That gets me all the time. It's pretty much like every single thing about JavaScript I really dislike. But here I am writing it. I use it all the time. Let's put this region first. Oops. Ray March, what's up? Are you kidding me? Yeah, you can use let, but like, I don't know even. Let's find out if we can use it. Oh. Sweet. Yeah, you can use let. Alright then. TIL. Okay, so apparently our server is reporting that it has 2 open slots. It's quite silly. Yes, it's quite silly. This is very strange. Let's do this. There we go. Okay. Now, let's try connecting. You're making my phone blow up, guys. It's not good. I can't see. There we go. US East, active, test, 1 out of 2 players, and the level is level 3. That's pretty sweet. Let's add some headers. Region. config. Not quite. Something's up. Oh, address. Region. Address. Awesome. I don't like that it's actually split like this. Oh, I'll just keep it. See you, Claro. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, because if I have these like stacked on top of each other, then as soon as a client or server connects or disconnects, then everything shifts up and down, and that gets weird. So I'm not going to do that. And then for the clients, all we've got is state and username. So that's easy. Yeah, I don't really care about what their address is per se. So yeah. See. Sweet. Looks cool. Let's switch those orderings. That's better. Alright, I think that's good. So later with these servers it would be great if I could add like frame rate and other stuff. But I think for now this is pretty good. Awesome. Let's... Hopefully no one has a null username and just super confuses me. Check out A Hat in Time. No, I did not. I have heard a lot about it. Heard it is pretty good. Sweet. Yeah, I'm liking this. This will be good. I can see exactly what's going on. Okay, guys. I think we are done. Awesome. Yeah, I'll have to check that out. A Hat in Time, definitely.